How to add credit card to Binance app. So the very first thing you want to make sure that the application Binance is already installed on a device. If not, head over to your app store and then install it. Once you have it installed on a device, simply open it. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on Space. Once you are in here, head over to Settings at the top right corner of the screen. It will open up the settings. Scroll all the way down and the option of payment methods will be visible to you. Click on it. And then tap on P2P payment method. Tap on Add a payment method at the bottom. From here you can select any of the payment method, or you can even click on All payment method and then see more of the payment methods. So from here, you have to select according to your credit card. Once you have selected, enter the detailed information of your card and then tap on Save at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add credit card on Binance app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.